K-series reducer, optimized design in accordance with international standards, has the advantages of high precision, high efficiency, fine transmission ratio classification, wide range, large transmission torque, reliable performance, low noise, flexible installation, convenient use and maintenance, etc. It is widely used in various low-speed, high torque right-angle transmission, and is a general basic part of mechanical transmission. Product overview. E. Space saving, reliable and durable, with high overload capacity, and the power can reach more than 200 kilowatts. R. Low energy consumption, superior performance, and the efficiency of the geared motor is as high as 95%. 3. Low vibration, low noise and high energy saving, for high quality section steel materials. Rigid cast iron box, and the surface of the gear has undergone high-frequency heat treatment. After precision machining, the formation of mechatronics fully guarantees the quality characteristics of the product.